Until a month ago, you were a complete failure. And then somehow you became the biggest star in the world. As if by magic. So what happened?
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
When did you write that?
I didn't write it. Paul McCartney wrote it. The Beatles.
Who?
John, Paul, George and Ringo, the Beatles. No. Stop it. Yesterday. It's one of the greatest songs ever written.
Well, it's not Coldplay. It's not Fix You.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes.
I'm just listening to Jack's new song.
Oh, yeah!
What's this one called?
Leave It Be.
Let it be.
Well, rock on, Jack.
Word has got out about a new pop phenomenon.
Your music, it's incredible.
We need you to come to LA. I'm offering you money and fame.
Hello, Mr. Sheeran. Love your work, man. Especially the rapping.
Oh, really?
No, only kidding. No, leave it to the brothers. That'd be my advice.
Hey, Jude.
You're leaving, so I can ask you anything. How did I get in the friend column instead of the and I love her column?
Young Malik, we're a superstar!
We could have been the perfect match. But now, you're the world's greatest songwriter.
I'm not.
Except that you probably are.
It is my honour now to open this door for the moment the entire world has been waiting for. Nah, wrong door.
Is it just you writing the songs?
Yes?
But is it?
I don't know. I've been a fool twice over. Perhaps love isn't all you need. But it's pretty damn close.
With the song, I do have a suggestion.
Hey, dude, are you sure?
Hey, dude. He's right. That's better.